Today in the grain market, we've had soybeans had a big drop today. Those hefty global supplies really pressuring the market. It sent futures to a 5-month low. The trade war is also taking its toll on the market. China farmers plan to increase their acreage for soybeans by 16%. Also, with Brazil and Argentina having big crops ready to hit the market, it really is putting pressure on the soybeans. And now the July contract is below that $9 benchmark. That now makes $9 becomes the resistance level. Has some of the traders a little bit worried, especially going into the holiday week. Does this mean that everyone is just going to dump whatever they have right now? We know that there's record shorts across the board on soybeans, wheat, and corn, and so there is some concern that we're going to, push down a little bit lower. Today, corn was a little bit weaker as well. Those planting delays are just not supporting the prices. We thought that it might give it a little bit of a boost. That's not helping it. The market is reflecting that the weather delays can be overcome pretty quickly, but it's still early in the planting season, so a few things can still happen there that might keep the corn futures from really falling off the edge. Still, we have to remember there's still plenty of supplies for corn here in the States, and we need to start to get moving on some of those exports. Wheat today, though, was the one that rebounded. The bargain buying stepping up, underpinning the futures, certainly after that sharp drop yesterday, and that sent wheat to a 1-month low. But the picture still looks pretty bleak for wheat overall. There is no change in global supplies, and they are pretty hefty right now. Competition with Russia is still a problem for the U.S., so it makes it difficult for us to really move some of our supplies. But maybe the short week might offer a little bit of support for the weak market. It's teetering right around its lows, and we're trying to look for some kind of positive news just to give it a little bit of a lift, certainly before this holiday.